I'm Shahir Massoud, and this is Around the World in 8 Meals, a celebration of Canada's culinary and cultural diversity. We're ending our culinary adventure with the spice chef, Sanjiz Mathews, who grew up in Kerala, India, the land of spices.
My name is Sanjiz Mathews. I come from the southern part of India, which is Kerala. One thing I will never forget is from my grandmother, we had to go outside to the fields, pluck the fresh green peppercorn. That I won't forget for life.
This is an inspiring spread, an array of spices and aromas already.
You're the spice chef.
Yes.
Wow.
My family members, they grow spices.
All of these?
Yeah. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, star anise, peppercorns.
Wow. And what's the title of the dish that we're making today?
Today, we are making Malabar pepper turkey roast. I'm using the Malabar black peppercorn, which is the black gold of the world.
Black gold of the world.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got all our ingredients for the marinade. Let's get started. Walk me through what's going in this marinade. So we've got a little ginger garlic paste, green chili paste. This is gonna give the heat.
A part of the heat. So let's start putting the spices into it.
What do we put in?
Half a spoon of turmeric, chili powder.
Chili powder. So another element of heat, but flavorful heat.
Yes.
And what's this going in?
This is the coriander powder.
Coriander.
And black peppercorn.
The black peppercorn.
And then we have to cut the lemon.
So we'll add the lemon juice. The seeds are from mine. Sorry. Do we just stir it up?
Just mix it up. Yeah.
Look at the color.
This beautiful color.
Beautiful color.
Yeah.
Can I taste it?
Sure.
Whoa!
It got heat.
It's got heat.
Now, to balance that, we'll put some salt into it. If we need to add more, we'll do it when we are cooking the dish.
You're seasoning in stages.
Yeah.
So that's our base marinade. I say we clean up and then we'll marinate our turkey.
Sure.
Okay. Time to talk turkey.
So let's debone the thighs.
Yep.
And use the turkey breast.
First things first with this bone and thigh, you're taking out the skin, making an incision along the bone.
Along the bone, both sides. Pinch it.
Yep. Look at that. No waste. Little cartilage, trim that. 1.5 inch pieces.
Same goes with the breast.
Into our marinating bowl. So we've got 2 breasts and 4 thighs.
Right.
And now I've got the marinade.
Mix it into the turkey.
Okay. And you really want to get in there, right? Like
Yeah.
massage the meat into this beautiful, vibrant marinade. Smells amazing. I smell
the
it from
flavors
here.
of the heat.
So you recommend at least 1 hour, but if you have more time, the longer the better.
The longer, the better.
Perfect. So let's do a quick hand wash and keep cooking. Turkey's in the fridge. How do we start the rest of the recipe?
So we'll take the coconut oil.
So a little bit of coconut oil first to start, and then the coconut goes in. Oh, yeah.
I get it nice golden color and use it for garnish at the end. So this will take a few minutes.
Until the coconut gets a nice golden color. The sweetness, I feel, will play nicely with the spicy earthiness of the rest of the dish, right? Is that the idea?
It's to balance and give the crunch. So now I can take it out.
And we want to reserve the oil, right? That's the idea.
That's the idea.
So next up, the onions. You've got about 8 onions here, finely sliced. Woo!
A little bit salt.
Yeah. So Sanjiz, you really reduced this down, got serious color here after a few minutes, high heat. And when you say that this is the base of the masala, by that do you mean the sauce?
Masala means a thicker sauce, whereas curry means it's a loose sauce. It's more gravy.
And that's the difference of curry and masala.
And masala.
Wow, I didn't know. Now you're left with the onions.
We'll reserve a few with the coconut.
So now we've got some ginger garlic paste. Okay.
So I'll put some spices, peppercorn, nutmeg, cardamom, cloves.
This is a pro move. And every step of this recipe, you're introducing flavor and seasoning every stage.
Yes. Grab 2 sprigs of the curry leaves and then just put it in. You can put lots. We saute this a bit so that the curry leaves are wilted. So now the ground spices comes in. So fennel, now the black peppercorn.
The black gold. And then we need the garam masala.
You need the garam masala.
Your special blend.
If you like something, put more.
Put more.
But don't put too much of the garam masala.
Right.
That can spoil the dish also.
Right.
So now we can put the marinated turkey with full high heat.
It smells unlike any other Indian dish I've had.
This is totally different because South Indian cuisine is not that popular all over the world. This is like an introduction to the...
From the Malabar region.
Yes. This is the time we cover it.
We cover, knock it down to medium.
20-25 minutes. Occasionally we stir it so that it doesn't burn the bottom.
So it's been about 20-25 minutes. Now let's take a look at what's inside.
It's almost ready. I want the liquid to reduce.
So we want to cook out that moisture a little bit.
In the meantime, we'll add the fresh tomato flavor.
And the texture, the fresh brightness at the end.
Now you can put the tomatoes
Now
in.
these big chunks of tomato in, a pop of color. and freshness.
Then we can grab the curry leaf and the cilantro, rip it. So this is done now. If you want, you can taste it. It's good?
Wow.
So it needs a little bit of that finishing touch. Half a lemon.
A little more of the Malabar black pepper.
Yeah.
And then a little more garam masala at the end.
This is done now. We turn it off, garnish with the reserved coconut and the onions.
Unbelievable dish. Should we go to the table? Let's go. The Malabar black pepper turkey. Looks beautiful. Before we eat, introduce me to the whole family.
Sure. Meet my wife, Sini.
Hi.
Dominus is the elder one. Darius, he's the second one of the family. My youngest, Tanisha. And these are my parents, Matthew.
Hi.
And Eliam.
Nice to meet everyone. Now,
Drooling, I can't wait.
we're gonna eat soon, don't worry. Should we start?
We will eat with our hands. That's how we eat.
Let's do it. Are you hungry? Okay, let's dig in. I'm gonna give you some rice. Show me how you're gonna do it. Do I take the whole piece like this?
You take a big piece.
Like this? It's spicy, it's earthy. You taste the garam masala for sure. It's amazing.
It's all about the spices. You balance it.
It's not too hot, but there's flavor from the pepper and from garam masala.
It's a good heat.
It's a good heat.
It sure is.
Guys, I want to thank you for inviting me over, for teaching me your spice secrets. I've had incredible meals with incredible families.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
And
It's my
enjoying
pleasure.
with my family.
It's been a blast. Thank you.